Nepeta is a genus of flowering plants in the family Lamiaceae, also known as catmints. The genus name is reportedly in reference to Nepete, an ancient Etruscan city. There are about 250 species. The genus is native to Europe, Asia, and Africa, and has also naturalized in North America. Some members of this group are known as catnip or catmint because of their effect on house cats. The neptolactone contained in some Nepeta species binds to the olfactory receptors of cats, typically resulting in temporary euphoria. Description: most of the species are herbaceous perennial plants, but some are annuals. They have sturdy stems with opposite heart-shaped, green to gray-green leaves. Nepeta plants are usually aromatic in foliage and flowers. The tubular flowers can be lavender, blue, white, pink, or lilac, and spotted with tiny lavender-purple dots. The flowers are located in verticillisters grouped on spikes. All the verticillisters are arranged in opposite cymes, racemes, or panicles toward the tip of the stems. The calyx is tubular or campanulate, they are slightly curved or straight, and the limbs are often two-lipped with 5 teeth. The lower lip is larger, with 3 lobes, and the middle lobe is the largest. The flowers have 4 hairless stamens that are nearly parallel, and they ascend under the upper lip of the corolla. 2 stamen are longer and stamens of pistillate flowers are rudimentary. The style protrudes outside of the mouth of the flowers. The fruits are nucleates, which are oblong ovoid, ellipsoid, ovoid, or obovoid in shape. The surfaces of the nucleates can be slightly ribbed, smooth or warty. Selected species. Some species formerly classified as Nepeta are now in the genera Dracocephalum, Glaucoma, and Calamantha. Uses. Cultivation. Some Nepeta species are cultivated as ornamental plants. They can be drought-tolerant or water-conserving, often deer-repellent, with long bloom periods from late spring to autumn. Some species also have repellent properties to insect pests, including aphids and squash bugs, when planted in a garden. Nepeta species are used as food plants by the larvae of some Lepidoptera species including Coleophora albitacea, and as nectar sources for pollinators, such as honeybees and hummingbirds. Selected ornamental species. Nepeta cataria the true catnip, cultivated as an ornamental plant, has become an invasive species in some habitats. Nepeta grandiflora lusher than true catnip and has dark green leaves and dark blue flowers. Neptea, Farcenia a hybrid of garden sauce with grey-green foliage and lavender flowers. It is drought-tolerant and deer-resistant. The cultivar Walker's Low was named Perennial of the Year for 2007 by the Perennial Plant Association. Nepeta racemosa commonly used in landscaping. It is hardy, rated for USDA hardiness zone 5B. References. Further reading Jacobs, Betty E. M. Growing and Using Herbs Successfully. Pownell, Vermont, Gardenway Publishing. Turner, Ramona. How Does Catnip Work Its Magic on Cats? Scientific American. Retrieved February 14, 2009. External links: Grown species records of Nepeta, USDA plant profile, Nepeta, Flora of China, Nepeta, Flora of Nepal, Nepeta, drugs.com, catnip, neptolactone, what is in catnip anyway? How Stuff Works, Incorporated. How Does Catnip Work? ScienceDaily.com, catnip repels mosquitoes more effectively than DEET reported at the 2001 American Chemical Society meeting.